Jazakallah, Brother Muhammad Shaikh, for the enlightening lecture for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to explain you the format of question and answer session. We will be starting from the ladies' side first. If you have any question, you can raise your hand and our coordinator will provide you the mic. You can ask your question. Before asking, please stand up and identify yourself by telling your name. Your questions should be brief and relevant to the topic. If the question is not relevant to the topic, you can have the appointment afterwards with Brother Muhammad Shaikh and seek clarification. Now I would like to request Brother Muhammad Shaikh again to come up on the stage and answer your questions. Brother Muhammad Shaikh.
Yes, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I've got a question for you. Is it compulsory for women to shave their heads? If so, who will shave their heads when they are at Hajj?
Yeah, first of all, you agree that you have to be shaved. This is compulsory because the Quran says we have to shave your heads. But who will shave? The mahram will shave. Either your husband or your father or your son or a brother, whoever is accompanying you will shave your head.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Mm-hmm. Because shaving is basically mentioned, I told you, in both men and women both. So it is not excluding women for not shaving. But who is going to shave me? I can also ask my wife to shave me. It's very easy. Shave, my wife will shave me. I shaved my wife when we went to Hajj, and I shaved my mother-in-law and my sister. So whoever was with me in the Hajj, I knew at that time I shaved. So same with you, if you are going with, you must take somebody, whoever is accompanying you, your father, husband, brother, son, or even, I don't know, damad, son-in-law, sorry, whoever. So who is married to you?
Sometimes women, they go...
Okay, take the woman and she'll shave you.
No. Sometimes women go in a group. They're not with the mahrams, but they go with a group of people together.
Women are there, no? Women.
Women are there.
Yeah, take one of your women to shave. Cannot shave me. Then you shave her.
Oh, okay.
If they are willing to go in a company of women, ask them to shave each other. And otherwise, if we want to be enlightened with the Allah's message, that's the most important factor. And not only this, then you have to break so many idols. So one of them is this.
So it's basically a sign of humbleness.
Not humbleness, sign of nothingness.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Yes, please. Your question.
Actually, I need a clarification of this ayat. It's Surah Fatah and the ayat number is 27. As I have the Urdu translation with me.
This is shortening of the hair.
Yes.
That's the question. I understand this.
Apne baal katarwa kar. It's
No.
two things.
Yes.
तुम अल्लाह ने चाहा तो मस्जिद हराम में अपने सर मुंडवा कर.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I could. But
okay, I will. No. Just
I'm taking from this Quran.
No, I'll give you English one.
Oh, fine.
No, why am I? I'll just try to explain to you.
So it's you mean it's different in English?
Let's open this. No. Just read the. Can you read Arabic?
Yes, I did. You also clarified this during.
No. I just want to explain one point, easy for you to understand.
Okay, I'll read this.
I will tell you. Muhalliqina ruusakum. First is mentioned. Shave your heads, right?
Exactly.
Okay. Now listen to. Look at me. I have shaved my head. Wa muqassirin. After shaving that head, how will I shorten my hair? It says in Arabic, وَحَلِّقِينَ رُوسَكُمْ. You shave your head and muqassirin. Once I've shaved my head, how will I muqassir? How will I shorten? You understand? In Arabic, the word is used first is to shaving your head and then shorten. And the word in Arabic is and. So when I've shaved my head, how will I shorten my hair? You follow now? You didn't understand.
After shaving, you mean to say that
That's what in the Arabic says. That is why I've used salah, because we are shortening the salah when we're coming to Masjid Haram. So people have said, though, this is shortening of the hair is mentioned. I said, look, if Allah has mentioned, then He would have said, shorten your hair, or O-R in English. Aw means in Arabic, or means or you shave.
okay.
But in Arabic is and. And means that you do this and this. It says shave your heads and shorten. Shortener, who shorten. So I have translated that all of the mankind who go to Hajj, when they are coming to Masjid Haram for Tawaf, Vida Tawaf, so they shorten their prayers. Qasar means to qasar the salah. So muqassirin are those people who are shortening the salah. So they are already coming to Masjid Haram with shortening of the salah. Prayer. Have you been to there? Have you been there in Hajj? Have you been to Hajj?
Yes.
So you did not shorten in
Yes, Salah, I did it. It was
two
yes,
joint
shortened
prayers
one.
were prayed in
Yes,
Arafat
exactly.
and then in Muzdalifah also. So you had shortened. So you are known as muqassirin, those who shorten the prayers. You are not, the salah is not there. Muqassirin means who shorten. What do you shorten? Now you say hair. The other people are saying hairs. So I said the word should be muqassirina aw muhallaqin. Aw mean in Arabic means do this or do this. But the Arabic is and. And means that you shave your heads and shorten. What shorten? Prayers. And then enter the sacred mosque. And we did in Hajj. We shortened our prayers in Arafat and Muzdalifah, and we shaved our heads and entered the sacred mosque of Vida. So those people who say this, you tell them, how can this word and, after shaving my head, how can I shorten my hair after I shave my head? Because it says and. So they will say it means here aw, means this means or, in English or. But that in Arabic, alif, waw means aw, means or. And means do this and do this. Okay, thank you.